Hello, I'm Janessa, and I cut my hair. I dye my hair, I do many things to my hair, and this is one of them. Today, I am trying to give myself a wolf cut, or like a curly shag, whatever those words are. You know the haircut, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, here it is. I don't even care if it's uneven, because oh my gosh, can it end? Can I finish cutting it? Oh my god. Oh no, it's like stuck. What the fuck? My scissors are literally kind of stuck. Okay. It's like a little animal. Oh, I cut it really short, but it's fine. It's literally fine. I like my hair short. 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 This is literally my scissors. Kind of stuck again. Should I just? Okay. Yeah, they're like. It's like. Why is it like stuck? Oh. Oh my god, my hair's literally like stuck. Whatever. Is this a mistake? No, my hair looked bad before anyway, so I don't remember how that story works. It doesn't look good. I'm just gonna wear a hat. Okay, it's the next morning, and yeah, I just took a shower, so I'm gonna cut my hair while it's wet. Hopefully that makes it better. Yeah, I cut my bangs a little too short, but honestly, it's fine. I should probably look at the tutorial again, right? No, I think I know what I'm doing. Like one of those like scene like boys like I literally look. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm so nervous. Holy shit. I cut it really short. this is what my hair looks like. I actually really like it. It turned out good. Okay, so yes, my hair is uneven. My bangs are too short, but it was good. It was good for the first time attempting this haircut. And it was good considering I only had one mirror. I didn't have anyone else help me. And yes, one side is bigger than the other. That's okay. And okay, this is what my hair looks like after it's grown out a little bit. Looked way better, but you know, that one side is it is uneven. It is uneven. And then this is what my hair looks like straight, and now it really looks like a wolf cut. So yeah. You know what? Not too shabby. Anyways, like and subscribe. Comment nice things about me, please. This is not a tutorial, by the way. Clearly. Anyways, have a good day, everyone.